Wugas, what's up? I'm back at y'all again with another video. I decided to come in and eat a little something for my Sugar Wugas. Okay, if you're new to my channel, thank you for coming by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I do another video. Also, if you always come by, thank you for always coming by to show Sugar Mom some love. I really, really appreciate it. So look, today I have some beef and cheese Taquitos. I think I'm saying it right. But here it is, right here. You see that? Right there. And I'm going to try it out. And right here I have some taco sauce. And it's mild. And I also have some sour cream. I didn't get any hot sauce. Well, I do have hot sauce, but I don't just feel like eating it. So, I'm going to say my prayers and I'm going to get it started. Amen. Look, I'm so sorry, guys, for the lighting. But you know how it is. The struggle is real. Y'all know what I look like. Can you see me? You see me? Alright, anyway. So, now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start. And this is my first time trying these. I'm going to dip it in the sour cream first. And it's good. And then some sauce. Okay. If you haven't tried, try it. I got it from the market. Supermarket around here. I'm sure y'all can find it in the freezer part. So, these are good. Okay. It's 12 of them right here. 12. You know how when you put something like this in the oven, I don't know why I gotta squirt out. See, you gotta squirt out. Oh man, I ain't even here. Y'all try. Try. Take a bite. Come on now, take a bite. These are really good. It really is. Oh, hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Y'all know I gotta do a thumb. I'm back. It's crunchy. That's good. I like that little crunch to it. Got me in that one here, y'all. That one. Set that right there. Let me get that. You also go try it. What? 21 come in a box. In this one. I'll get this again. I sure will. Not bad. What y'all eating there? Huh? What are y'all gonna eat now? You know, today is not that cold outside. It's not that cold. I'm about to dip it in. It's good, y'all. It really is. Taquitos. Comment below and let me know if you guys try this. I don't know, not in the restaurant, at home, or made it yourself. You know I make it, so I don't know how I make it. I'm sure it won't be hard though. I'm sure it's not hard. Just stuff it up and, you know, fry it up or something. I don't know. I really like that crunch. You got there's beef and cheese in this. Beef and cheese. Yep. I'm sure it tastes good with some guac. Some guac. How many I eat so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 7 left. This should be a challenge. Get a whole bunch of these and see how many y'all can eat them. Every time I turn around, y'all doing challenges on how much y'all can eat and how many you can eat. Go get about 20 of these and see if you can eat that. It's like, these are 20. I mean 20, these are 12. Do that. Do that. I've been watching all y'all. Wow, they sure can eat a lot. So, I ate half. That's 6. Ta-da! You know I got my coat. You know I got my coat. You know I got my coat. I be happy about my coat, y'all. Don't say anything. I know I'm drinking all that soda. No, I'm gonna drink my soda and be happy. And give me some room in my stomach. I can taste it before I taste it. Yes, it hits you. Excuse me. Be tripping myself out. I sure do. Yep. I'm my #1 fan, y'all. I am my #1. Yeah, this is good. Mm. 5 more. Why I'm doing that? I ain't gonna talk. What? That's good though. I'm getting full. Yes, I am. I'm not gonna sit here and lie. Nope. Nope. Wherever y'all from, tell me what y'all weather is like. What's the weather like? How many degrees is it? Oh my goodness. How y'all be eating all that stuff like that, y'all? Full. They're good. They're already good, y'all. See that? That was busting out. Woo. 12 of them. My eyes said I could do it. My eyes. I'm really dancing, trying to, like I'm going to dance some room in my stomach, y'all. Oh. Shh. About to say. Like, sometimes when y'all be so hungry and y'all eat, and then y'all kind of like take a breather, do it feel like y'all was holding your breath while y'all was eating? Is that why I be feel like I'm out of breath? Woo! All right, all right. Right, you eat so many or something. Start to be too much. But I'm good. I'm glad it's good. Start getting delirious. Yeah. Well, why? It's only two. It's only two that I want. Oh no. Whew. That helps. I'm doing it, y'all. I'm gonna do it. Just cause. Cause what it look like? I mean, it's only two. Playing now. I am now. Ow. Look. Now, look how skinny these things are. If I was struggling just to do 12, how did y'all do all them chicken legs like that? Jesus. How? No, 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 no. He's skinny. Let go. No. I'm out winning, y'all. You didn't know this. Woo! Y'all feel that in my chest. What was that? Last bite. Why I do that? I don't know. Y'all, that was a lot. It was so good though. It was really, really, really good. But I was struggling. I was struggling. Excuse me. I'm sleepy. Sleepy now. Okay, my sugars, I'm about to let you go if you already didn't let me go. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment, like, share, let everybody know what I'm doing over here on this channel. Show Sugar Mama some love, y'all. And you know I'm not gonna leave y'all with a great big hug for you and for me. My sugar lovers. I see y'all on my next video.